Assalamualaikum. My name is Khalid Abdul Kaharding. My ID number is 2025292184.
My name is Nurul Aina Izzati. My ID number is 2025806914.
My name is Nurjia Kaisara and my ID number is 2025897058.
This chapter covers compound interest, loan, repayments, annuities, and investment, which are important topics in financial mathematics. In this chapter, we learn how money can increase or decrease over time based on the interest rate, how often it is compounded, and the type of payment involved. Compound interest explains how the value of money grows when interest is added to the original amount from time to time. For loan and repayment, we calculate how much needs to be paid monthly or periodically in order to settle a loan within a certain period. An annuity refers to a series of equal payments made regularly, such as monthly loan installment or fixed contribute to an investment plan. Investment look at how a single deposit or regular saving can grow through compounding and dividend rates. Overall, this topic helps students understand how different financial decisions, whether borrowing, saving, or investing, affect the total amount that will be paid or received in the future.
Question 1. The question said Miss Rafhana invested 75,000 ringgit in platform Y and 25,000 ringgit in platform Z for duration of 15 years and 10 years. Respectively, platform Y offered an interest rate of 3.15% compounded biannually, and platform Z offered 2.05% compounded every 2 months from the slide. We can see platform Y, P is 75,000 ringgit, T is 15 years, M is 2, and K is 3.15%. Then for the platform Z, P is 25,000 ringgit, T is 10 years, M is 6, and K is 2.05%. So the question asks to calculate the total amount accumulated from both investment. For the platform Y, first thing first, we can use formula S equal to P in the bracket 1 plus I power of N. And then S equal to 75,000 in the bracket 1 plus 0.0315 divided by 2 and power of 2 multiply 15. So the S equal to 119,857 ringgit 77 cent. Next, for the platform Z, firstly, using formula S equal to P in the bracket 1 plus I power of N. Then we apply the S equal to 25,000 in the bracket 1 plus 0.0205 divided by 6. The total for S is RM 30,677 and 41 cent. So the total amount accumulated 119,857 ringgit and 77 cent plus 30,677 ringgit 41 cent. So the total amount is 150,535 ringgit and 80 cent. For the question 1B, we need to find the total amount accumulated from both investment at the end of the investment period. As you can see, after 84 months, the interest rate changed to 3.25% compounded quarterly for platform Y and 2.20% compounded biannually for platform Z. The first step is platform Y. For the first 7 years, we need to use formula S equal to P in the bracket 1 plus I power of N. The solution is S equal to 75,000 in the bracket 1 plus 0.0315 divided by 2 power of 2 multiplied by 7. To the total for S equal to RM 93,341 and 97 cent. Then after 7 years, we also using the same formula, which is S equal to P in the bracket 1 plus I power of N. The solution is S equal to 93,341 and 97 cent in the bracket 1 plus 0.0325 divided by 4 and power of 4 multiplied by 8. Then we got the answer for S is 120,930 ringgit 90 cent. Okay, thank you.
Okay, hi, I'm Nurjia Kaisara. So next, I will solve for the next question, which is question 2A, B, and C. For the following question 2, Siti Nurhaliza needs 100,000 ringgit as business capital to open a new kiosk in a shopping mall. She borrowed 100,000 from Bank KK at 4.2% interest compounded monthly. She intends to settle the loan with Bank KK by making 180 ringgit monthly repayment. At the same time, she also invests a mutual fund depositing RM 5,000 every 6 months at a dividend rate of 90% compounded semi-annually. So for question A, we need to find the value of the monthly repayment. First step, we need to solve this question using formula A equal to R 1 minus times with 1 plus I, the power of n, negative n per I. So for A is 100,000 equals R 1 minus 1 plus 0.042 per 12 equal the power of negative 108 per 0.042 per 12. So the total for R is 1,130 ringgit and 53 cents. Then for question B, we need to calculate the amount of interest charged by Bank KK by using formula Rn minus with A. So just enter the number in the formula. For R is 1,130 ringgit 53 cents multiplied with 180 ringgit minus with A is 100,000 ringgit. So we got the answer is 2,261 ringgit and 24 cents. So we move to question C. We need to determine the payment to settle all the rest if she has not paid the first 5 repayment. Hence, calculate the interest charge on the late payment. So we're using formula S equal to R times with 1 plus I, the power of n, negative 1 per I. So for S, we got, so R is 1,130 ringgit and 53 cents, 1 plus 0.042 per 12, the power of 6, minus 1 per 0.042 per 12. Then we got the total for S is 6,739 ringgit and 91 cents. Then we need to find the total for I. We use another formula which is 1 equal to S minus with Rn, and we just enter the number. For S is 6,739 ringgit per 91 cents minus with R is 1,131 ringgit and 53 cents, and N is 6, and we got the answer for I is 58 ringgit and 73 cents. And we move to the next question. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aina Izzati and I will answer for the last question for question 2D. So, the question asks, after making payment for 7 years, she decided to settle the loan with a single payment. At first, we need to calculate A by using formula A equal to R. R is monthly repayment, bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I. I is monthly interest rate, bracket bracket, and then power of n, and then the power of negative n is remaining number of months divided by I, and then bracket. Substituting the value into the formula, A equals to 1,113.53 cents, bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.042 divided by 12, the power of negative 24. And then divided by 0.42 per 12, and then bracket. So we obtain A equals to 24,519.16 cents. Next, for question 2, she will withdraw all her money from the mutual fund to help pay off the loan in full. We need to find the amount she can withdraw from the mutual fund. So by using the formula S equal to R, bracket bracket 1 plus I, bracket the power of n, negative 1 divided by 1, bracket. To determine, we apply the future value of an entity formula. Substituting S equal to 5,000, bracket 1 plus 0.09 divided by 2, bracket the power of 14 minus 1 divided by 0.09 divided by 2, bracket. Thus, the future value of the entity after 15 period is 94,660.55 cents. Lastly, for question 3, calculate the total dividend she earned from the investment in mutual fund. To determine the dividend earned, we first calculate the total contributes, which is modal, using the formula modal equal to R minus N. N is 5,000 multiplied by 14. Thus, the total contribute amount to 17,000. To find the dividends earned, we subtract the total contributes from the future value dividend equal to 94,660.55 minus 7,000. Therefore, the dividend earned is 24,660.55. That's all from us. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.